Building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast, recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, so today I wanted to go over Shopify Tools. So Shopify has like this it's like a set of tools. You can get it at shopify.com/tools. And they're very interesting. So I wanted to go over them one by one and just talk about it. Maybe mess with a few things. So the first thing is they have a logo maker. So get started. Let's say I have a logo and I want a logo in tech. Then you could build one that's bold, calm, reliable, classic, energetic, elegant, creative, conservative, friendly, futuristic, industrial, innovative, vintage, strong, natural, modern, youthful, none of the above. So I kind of want to see, let's do a futuristic one. Business name, let's just do it for Smashing Themes. Smashing Themes. Slogan, hoping e-commerce stores smash sales records. Okay. Let's say online store. Okay, let's say social media. Right? Okay. And I didn't have to do anything. They gave me like 6 options. And they're all decent. Not bad. For just like a social logo. I might actually use some of these. So let's look at another one. I'm gonna create what kind of logo should I create? Bold, calm, energetic. Let's do vintage. And then let's do a classic one as well. And I'll do modern later for myself. That's awkward. Okay, let's just do vintage. Oh, we can do it all at once? Okay. Only 3 brand values. Okay. So I already did so let's do modern. Okay. And it's for social. No, these are all the same logos. What? Go back. Okay, so I'm just gonna do vintage then. No futuristic. Vintage. Choose one to start in and you can pick a different logo. Alright, that's it. So that's logo maker. Pretty interesting. Okay, then business name generator. Find business name. So I'm just gonna type in like e-commerce website themes. Okay. We found 100 names containing e-commerce website themes. So Red Fox e-commerce, Simple e-commerce, Maple Leaf, Viable, Lifetime, Cultural, Chase, Pride, Pirate. Not too great. It seems like I would have to have like a theme name, or no, I would have to have an idea of what I wanted for the name. So when you type in Smashing Themes, it's like capital Smashing Themes, Smashing Themes Head, Spring Hill Smashing Themes. So yeah, business name generator isn't that great. Let's do slogan maker now. Slogan maker. discover slogan. So I'm gonna do helping, or no, okay. Capture more customers with a great brand recall. Whether you need a catchy slogan for for advertising or as a tagline for your business, our slogan generator will help you come up with the best ideas. In an overcrowded market, a creative and unique business slogan can be the difference maker. Simply enter a term that describes your business or get up to. So let's just do WordPress themes for e-commerce stores. Yeah, that's fine. And does that do anything? Break me off a piece of that. WordPress themes for e-commerce store. Okay. Pop. Okay, so it's just taking like slogans that you've heard of and then putting WordPress themes for e-commerce stores in front of them. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz, oh, what a WordPress theme for e-commerce store it is. Hands that do dishes can be soft as your WordPress themes for e-commerce store. We'll leave the WordPress themes for e-commerce stores on for you. Okay. Yeah. That sucks too. Okay, the next thing is a domain name generator. And it's the same thing here. Enter the word or phrase that you want to include in your domain name. So, smashing theme. Okay. And then it does .net, .org, boutique, and it's all just smashing theme. Okay. Yeah. Scrollingtheme.com. Interesting. Spiky theme free. Blah 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 blah. Okay. And then there's link pop. Link pop is actually really interesting. I have one, but I never use it. So link pop allows you to create like a link summary of what you want people to see. And so instead of having one link to one of your things that you want to show people, you can have your link pop and people can see multiple things and you can have it yourself, right? So basically this is like an online business card. I actually have one set up, I just never use it. So you're able to add all your social media. So I added Patreon too. I added my TikTok, YouTube, Twitter. Instagram. Smashing Themes has an Instagram account, but it's empty. Email. And my email is spelled wrong. And then I have the store. You can also add products, add media, add affiliate links. Yeah, so what I have is I have all those links that I told you about, and then I have a link to the store, and then I have a link to the podcast, because those are the two most important links in my life. Just kidding. Not in my life, but in my world, let's say. In my online life. That's a better phrasing for it. You can also add your LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, Facebook too. I don't have a Facebook, I don't have a Pinterest and LinkedIn. I'd like to separate my professional life from my podcast life, let's say. Even though my podcast is on my LinkedIn. So there's also who is domain lookup, and this is where you can search if a domain is taken. So if we do smashingthemes.com, you search it. It's loading. Yeah, you can see it's registered at Namecheap. And it just says it's unavailable. Smashing Themes is registered. But let's do podcast themes. Podcast theme is registered. Okay. Okay, BAIB podcast.com. Because I did dash podcast, right? Is that taken? A Whois record for BAB podcast was not found. Does that mean I can buy it? Okay, it doesn't give me the option to actually buy it. That's weird. It tells me, oh, top available domains. And then it's like, where you can sign up for Shopify to buy your domain. Okay, that's weird. It doesn't give me the option to buy the one I actually typed in. But, okay. Next one. Wholesale marketplace. Stock up your store with unique products on Handshake. Okay. Okay, I know what this is. So I've talked about this before, but so Shopify is mainly for drop shippers. So what Handshake is it's a marketplace that Shopify bought that will connect you to drop shipping brands. So you can type in, I don't know, let's do phone case. And it will show you different phone cases that you can buy to then drop ship. Yes. Okay, so that's Handshake. Then there's a pay stub generator. Create a cloud-based pay stubs for on the fly for your business. So if you have employees, you enter your company information, you enter your employee information, enter your income information, enter your deduction information, then you create the pay stub. Then QR code generator, which is pretty cool. I don't have any reason to create a QR code right now, but if I did, it would be here where I would create my QR code. And you can do a website URL, a phone number, a text message, or plain text. Okay. Yes. The next thing is a terms of service generator. Pretty basic. They also have this in Shopify itself. There's a tab where you can create these. You can also create a privacy policy, a refund policy. And it's like, hey, do you want to type your own policy? Or we can generate it for you. And you click the button and it creates all these policies for you. So that's cool. Then there's a business card maker. Let's check that out. Yeah, so first name, last name, company name, job title, email, website, address, city, country, zip code, state. You can add a logo, and that would be your business card. But I don't understand, is this digital or is this like, oh, I'm going to have this delivered to my house? Every business owner needs a business card, and Shopify makes the creative process super fast and easy with our free online business card maker. Now you can create beautiful, printable business card templates without spending time and money on a graphic designer. Simply fill out the information below, add your business logo, and download your ready to print personalized business. Oh, okay. So you create the business card and then you go to a business card maker. and then you give them your design that you just made here. Yes. Okay. The next thing is the invoice generator. So I guess the same thing as a pay stub generator, but for invoices, the opposite. Then there's a purchase order. Purchase order template. Easily create purchase orders for your business. So same thing as all the other templates. Privacy policy generator, shipping label template, refund policy generator, bill of lading template. Easily create complete bill of lading forms for your business. I studied this in college, but let's have a refresh on what a bill of lading is. A bill of lading is a document issued by a carrier to acknowledge receipt of cargo for shipment. Although the term is historically related to only carriage by sea, a bill of lading may today be used for any type of carriage of goods. Okay, so that's for shipping. Barcode generator for your products, of course. Image resizer. Let's play with this. So I upload my super large images that I have been playing with, that I created for the podcast. Resize your image to compact. Or no, let's do it large. So we're doing it super large now. My original image is 1500 by 1500, and it's now going to be 4472. So I download that image, and it's clear and it's huge. Okay, that's interesting. I would like a shrinker. That would be nice, because I always need to shrink images that I have. Then there's a business loan calculator. So loan amount, annual interest rate, length of your loan, and extra monthly payments. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Then there's a CPM calculator. Make your ads profitable and optimize campaigns. I could probably use this at work, maybe. Okay, so you enter your total campaign costs. So $50. And impressions, I want 1,000 impressions. And then they will email you the results. Okay, great. Not actually, but it's a thing. Okay. And after that is a profit margin calculator. And then there is Exchange Marketplace. This is where you can look for different businesses that are for sale. So let's say I create smashing themes and I get tired of it, which is probably unlikely because I don't have anything better to do in terms of creating an indie business. Let's just say I want to sell it. I can go here and list it, and I have to say the average revenue per month, average profit per month, and inventory value. And then this one has an average revenue per month, and that's $10,000. And then the average profit is $3,000, almost $4,000, and the asking price is 10x that, so $30,000. And sometimes it'll tell you what it is. Let's see, this one is in electronics and gadgets. Hold on, 1 sec. It's an established business. It has inventory. It has an inventory of $2,000. Why is this business started? I was reselling used and unused electronics on eBay, and I wanted to take the next step to own. So it doesn't actually tell you what the business is in this case, but yeah. it tells you the revenue and blah, 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 blah. Okay, and then there's this one. I don't know what it sells, but they have the link here, and they sell dog accessories. Okay, sounds fun. And then there's discount calculator. And they don't ask for your email. So it says you have the calculation type. You can discount off one item, percentage increase or decrease, fixed amount off, 2-for-1 discount, sales tax calculator. You apply your discount, $25, and the amount, $100. And of course, the discount is now $75. Or no, the price is now $75. Great. And I think that is the last tool. Oh, there's more stuff too. There's also... So that's the main stuff. And then you go to the footer, and it has like options to find products in your store for drop shipping. Yeah, it takes you to Shopify.com/dropshipping. It talks about dropshipping, learn about dropshipping, hear success stories. There's an FAQ. Then there's find business courses on Shopify Learn. That's Shopify Learn. Shopify.com/learn. Then there's a link to exchange. Then there's find free high quality images on Burst. Create stunning logos in seconds. And then there's a link to Handshake. So I don't get what this is for, but yeah. So that's Shopify.com/tools. Maybe you need one of those tools. Maybe you don't. I think this episode had a lot of value. So thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.